As we embark on this journey into the aquatic realm, let us explore the ethereal world of the Spanish dancer, a creature whose vibrant colors and enchanting behaviors paint a vivid picture of life beneath the surface. A sea slug named after the flamenco-inspired movements that characterize its underwater ballet. The Spanish dancer, scientifically known as Hexabranchus sanguineus, is a sea slug belonging to the family Hexabranchidae. Its striking appearance immediately draws our attention, a velvety body adorned in fiery reds and oranges, complemented by intricate patterns that add to its allure. But there's more to this underwater spectacle than meets the eye. Found predominantly in the warm tropical and subtropical waters of the Indo-Pacific region, the Spanish dancer chooses coral reefs, rocky substrates, and seagrass beds as its stage. Under the cover of darkness, this nocturnal creature emerges from its hiding spots, embarking on a journey to forage for food. As we observe this enchanting sea slug, we cannot help but notice its external gills, delicate feathery structures on its back that serve as respiratory organs. These, coupled with its distinct coloration, contribute to the Spanish dancer's ethereal and otherworldly appearance. Measuring up to 40 centimeters in length, the Spanish dancer gracefully moves through the water, utilizing a specialized radula equipped with tiny, tooth-like structures to feed on sponges. Despite its seemingly delicate nature, this sea slug is armed with potent chemical defenses derived from its sponge diet, making it an unpalatable meal for many marine predators. In the realm of reproduction, the Spanish dancer unveils intricate courtship rituals, showcasing synchronized movements and exchanges of chemical signals. The result is a delicate dance that culminates in the laying of gelatinous egg masses, ultimately giving rise to the next generation of these underwater performers. The lifespan of the Spanish dancer is a fleeting one, ranging from 1 to 2 years. And why does it dance? The captivating undulations are not a flamenco-inspired display but rather practical movements for navigation, foraging, and potentially communication with fellow sea slugs. While the Spanish dancer is not currently listed as a threatened species, its habitat faces challenges, from coral reef degradation to the impacts of pollution and climate change. As ambassadors of marine conservation, these sea slugs draw attention to the delicate balance of their ecosystems, urging us to protect and preserve the wonders hidden beneath the ocean's surface. Let us ensure that the dance of these enchanting sea slugs continues to echo through the seas for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.